Hi, this is Niels and Frederick from Klotz ARS, and today we are talking about 12G UHD video cables.
What actually is 12G?
The latest state-of-the-art cameras use the 12G SDI interface to transmit UHD 4K video signal over just one single cable. SDI stands for Serial Digital Interface.
And UHD 4K stands for Ultra High Definition. At Klotz, we offer a range of 12G video cables that are characterized in particular by their perfect construction with very low manufacturing tolerances.
Quite often we get asked about the maximum transmission length.
The highly flexible stranded conductor construction, a robust polyurethane outer jacket, in combination with a very high termination quality of the connectors, enable our mobile UHD 4K video cables to achieve an outstanding 55-meter 12G transmission distance.
Are these video cables actually suitable for use on cable drums?
Oh yes. All mobile video cables from Klotz indeed are suitable for use on drums, not only because of their high flexibility, but also for their small bending radius.
Find full information on our web.